If you are a Mac user and you have an iOS device, you are going to have the most seamless experience of all for transferring your photos and videos. Find the photos that you're going to want to transfer between your iOS device and your Mac. Let's go ahead up to the top right and hit select, and I'm going to select the ones I want, which in this case would be all of them. I'm going to hit the bottom left share icon here on the screen, and we're going to go to Airdrop. Before you hit that button, let's go ahead to your Mac and make sure everything's set up. Now, if you open up a Finder window, at the very top left, you're going to see Airdrop. And if you don't, you can always hit Command Space and type in Airdrop. But once you're there, we're going to make sure your Mac is discoverable by your other devices. On the very bottom of the screen, you're going to see Allow me to be discovered by, and it should say something. So no one, contacts only, or everyone. In this case, just to make this seamless, let's hit everyone. And once you click that, that's gonna allow your Mac to be discovered by your other devices. Let's hit Airdrop. Here we go. So I've got MacBook Air. You can use this between iPads, iPhones, any Apple device. This is pretty much gonna work. Let's go ahead and hit that MacBook Air. It's gonna say waiting. Now, if we go back to our Mac, you'll see accept and open, decline and accept. If you wanna open all the files right at once, you can. I'm just gonna hit accept so it can download them. And boom, they are all downloaded to the downloads folder. But let's say you want to go the opposite direction. So you want to send something from your Mac to your iPad. Now in this case, let's make sure our iOS device has AirDrop on. So you can scroll down from the top right and you see that little AirDrop icon there above Bluetooth, tap on that. And you can again do everyone. Now if we head back to our Mac, we're going to see Storm's iPad is right there. So that's fantastic. Now in a Finder window, find your file that you want to transfer and go ahead and drag it over on top of the name of the person you want to airdrop to. And on the iPad, we're gonna see Storm Pierce's MacBook Air would like to share a photo, accept, and it shared the photo and downloaded automatically. But what if you don't have a Mac? You have a PC and AirDrop just isn't gonna work. The easiest, fastest way I've found is using the iTunes application on your PC and just one of these USB adapter power cords that comes hopefully in the box. First off, on your Windows PC, go to the Microsoft Store and download iTunes. You'll have to download and install this app for this to work properly. Once you have iTunes all downloaded and installed, go ahead, launch it and sign in and keep your power cord handy. Use your power cord to plug in your iPhone or your iPad. And you might get a little pop-up on the screen that's gonna say, trust this computer. You're gonna wanna trust it, so hit trust. Do you want to allow this computer to access information on your iPad? Go ahead and hit continue, of course you do. All right, once you have everything connected, in iTunes, you should see your device here on the left side. That means you did everything right. At the very top, under account, you're gonna see this little icon, which is for your device. Go ahead and click on that icon. We just need one pane in this window, and that's on the left side, which is file sharing. Go ahead and tap on file sharing. Basically, each one of these app names is a folder that is on your iOS device. So what we're gonna do, let's just remember we have Chrome here on the list. Let's hop back onto your iOS device. Let's go ahead and find the photos and videos you want to share. I'm going to select all the ones that I want. On the very bottom left, we're going to tap on the share icon, scroll down and go to save to files. So next up, we're going to hit on my iPad. Now let's go ahead and hit Chrome. So as you see, this folder corresponds with the folder that's on iTunes. Go ahead and hit save and find the folder or the name of the application that we found. Now you'll see that all those files are right here as if they were in the Files app. This is super awesome. So only one more step. We're gonna go ahead and click, shift, and hit save on the bottom right. And you'll be able to choose exactly where you want these files to go. So let's go ahead and just put desktop, hit select folder. All of the files are transferred seamlessly, no problem at all. So first off, make sure you create a free Google Drive account. Once you do, go ahead and get the app on your corresponding iOS device that you're going to need to transfer things from. Let's go ahead and open it. You'll see the folders that you have. Yours will probably be empty, but you can just go ahead and make a new one here on the bottom right. So we'll put folder, we'll just put transfers. Now go ahead and open your folder. Tap on the plus sign here on the bottom right. We'll go ahead and hit upload, and we're going to do photos and videos. Go ahead and hit allow access to all photos. Then go ahead and select the folder that you have your photos and videos in. So here's my backgrounds. I'm gonna select each and every one and hit upload. As long as you have internet access and you're connected to Wi-Fi, these are gonna go ahead and upload. And now all these files are going to be accessible on your Google Drive account, which you can access through any device that has access to Google Drive. So any mobile device, any computer. Let's hop back onto the computer. If we go ahead and go into this folder for transfers, you can download things one of two ways. You can click on it, go onto this three-dot icon menu, and then hit download individually, or you can just select all of them and hit download at the top, and that'll make a zip file as you see here at the bottom right.